Good afternoon, this is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Lake Norman. Today we're going to walk you through a 2023 Yamaha 252 SE. We'll start in the bow. You'll see your port and starboard seating. You have very abundant, spacious storage underneath all the seats. Up front you have an anchor locker for your anchor line of chain. Walking back you'll see you have a closed off windshield that can shut, give you plenty of space from the wind. A nice digital connect screen dash, tilt steering wheel, joystick, dual binnacle controls, electric start and stop buttons as well. In-floor storage here. You have two 360-degree swiveling seats that recline, cup holders everywhere you look. On this boat you'll see you have maximum seating, stadium style in the back. These two back seats do move fore and aft on these boats. Makes it really nice. You have lots of storage and seats out back with a table, a bench table to sit in the water. Carlton's going to show you this seat back here. Then looking forward, you'll see a nice big tower with a very big benthic. That's going to be your 2023 252 SE Yamaha. If you want to come by and see it, stop by MarineMax Lake Norman. Thank you.